Hey guys, this is Priya Nera.
Hi, Soumya here.
So guys, we are here today to tell you something about the secret, like we all are inquisitive about. What is Mind Gym? What is Mind Gym? This is the talk of the town now. So
Mhm.
Soumya, do you want to throw a light into this? That what is Mind Gym actually?
Yes, of course, 100%. सो जैसे कि हम सब लोग फैन है ना जिम जाने के लिए बॉडी बिल्डिंग करने के लिए ना वी वांट मसल्स डोले शोले के लिए वी गो टू द जिम एंड वी गो एवरी डे वी ट्राई टू गो एवरी डे है ना सिमिलरली वी ऑल्सो नो दैट ब्रेन इज अ मसल इट इज ट्रेनेबल है ना एंड उसके लिए हमको रोज जाना पड़ता है एंड दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड माइंड जिम सो वी आर ट्रेनिंग द ब्रेन एज टू हाउ टू थिंक सो दैट इट गिव्स यू द मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव डे राइट क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग ना ऐसे बोलते हैं कि हाय मैं उठते ही बोलने लग जाते हैं कि आज मैं बिजी हूँ यार मेरा इतना सारा काम है मेरे को वो नहीं पता यू हैव दैट स्ट्रेस गोइंग ऑन एज सून एज यू गेट अप. But we here at 5 a.m. get up and get started with our day with the right set of mindset इन द माइंड जिम. बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स यूज करते हैं हम. कभी कभी हम पूरा डे डिजाइन कर देते हैं हमारे दिमाग में. कभी कभी हम फॉरगिवनेस करते हैं वी रिमूव दैट थिंग दैट इज पुलिंग अस डाउन. कभी कभी हम ग्रैटिट्यूड का सेशन करते हैं एंड वी डू लॉर्ड एंड लॉर्ड ऑफ एनएलपी टेक्निक्स. बहुत सारे एनएलपी टेक्निक्स करते हैं जिससे क्या होता है कि यू विल चेंज the way you are thinking throughout the day. It's not just for that 5 to 6 a.m., but it will go on throughout the day. And the remnants are there for the day,
Yeah,
which I think you can also vouch for.
that's so amazing. Actually, I can vouch for that. मैंने भी जब शुरुआत की थी Mind Gym के साथ, so I was equally excited. And when you start your day with wonderful meditation, that too for 45 minutes to 1 hour, your day actually goes like that. And guys, I can say that आप जब माइंड जिम करते हो आप बीमार कम पड़ते हो. सर्दी खांसी जुकाम जो मुझे तो याद ही नहीं कि लास्ट टाइम मुझे कब हुआ था. Thanks to the mind gym, of course. So this is so beautiful that you're able to remove the blockages from your past, from the subconscious mind, and then you are working so much on your mind in order to get your desired results in every area. Right, Soumya? That's what we do.
हाँ, दैट इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मेरे को तो ये एक क्या बोलते हैं, इट इज द वे टू स्टार्ट माय डे. इट गिव्स मी दैट फोकस. इट डिटैचेस मी फ्रॉम हु आई एम यूज्ड टू थिंकिंग आई एम. It stops me from reaching out to my phone and checking my messages and remembering who I was yesterday. Rather than what happens is at the first thing in the morning, I design who I want to be throughout the day. So then, after I've done that, then when I look at my phones and whatever tasks are pending for the day, I approach it with a new mindset. I'm not carrying forward the old thoughts of yesterday's into my new day.
So
Uh,
every day with the new intention, you're starting your day.
हाँ, सभी लोग. That was the main takeaway for me from the mind gym almost on everyday basis. But then again, आज का तो बहुत ही मजेदार हो गया था ना दीदी. Like we were doing, and mind gym is not a fixed protocol, है ना. हम we directly channelize universe, you can say. We are totally in the zone of trance. So all you people who like trance, going in trance, you should definitely try mind gym. क्या होता है, you actually go into trance where you are connected totally with yourself, and some divine power is moving all of us together in some healing pattern. And आज we did a very beautiful NLP technique to shut your mind from thoughts. हमको बहुत सारे लोगों को ये बिलीफ है कि वी आर ओवर थिंकर्स, है ना. वी आर बहुत मैं स्पेशली लड़कियां का है ना. लाइक मैं बहुत ज्यादा सोचती हूँ, मैं बहुत ज्यादा सोचती हूँ. और इवन हस्बैंड्स कीप कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट देयर वाइफ सेइंग ओ शी टॉक्स टू, शी थिंक्स टू मच, खामखा सोच सोच के खराब कर देती है, लाइक दैट. And we saw how you can really close, I mean you can take your power away from that, like and we got a beautiful quote out of this session today, and it was, I'm not an overthinker, but I'm overly conscious of my thoughts.
That was so amazing. It came out, all of a sudden from your mouth, and
Yeah.
we were all in trance that time. And when I tried and note down the notes, obviously after the mind gym we do take out the notes that what is our takeaway from that particular thing. Then I completely took that thing that overthinking is only getting over conscious about your thoughts, nothing else. So this was so important that I need to just engrave it in my mind, because people criticize the people one who are overthinkers. So there is no need to overthink. There is no need to criticize someone who is overthinking. Actually, he is very consciously, deciding his day and whatever. He's conscious about all this thing. So
Yeah.
it's actually very beautiful experience today.
Yeah, that means you're just in your headspace, right? You're just totally in your head. That's it. You're not aware of your being. You're not aware of your body. You're not aware of your environment. You're just being in your head. That's what it's trying to say. Asking you to just simply step out of there and become conscious of who you are, what environment you are in. And you gave a very beautiful technique thereafter in the following classes, that deep breathe, take a pause, when you're overthinking. And we did a very beautiful technique of, ge- uh, uh, reducing it with a regulator. Of course, if you want to try, you'll have to come join us in the morning session of Mind Gym. We have beautiful NLP techniques which will teach you how to go away from your thoughts, how to detach yourself from your thoughts. The thoughts will be there, like running in the background, just like your heart is beating, your lungs are is pump, breathing in and out. Exactly like that, the brain will keep on thinking, but you will be able to detach yourself and be here in the present moment.
And Soumya, do you want to share some of the experience of the clients that who are already doing with us?
Oh yeah, we you also have, like, we are aware, right, Didi, that we have amazing feedback every day. We have amazing feedback, and
Every day,
it
people are
blows our
amazing.
mind, completely blows our mind. There are people who come with lot of aches and pains in the morning, because as soon as we wake up, we have lot of ache and pain. I remember this particular incident with one of the client who woke up because she had a sharp pain in her left knee or right knee. I don't remember right now. She had it, and she was unable to even go to washroom at that time. She had some ligament tear or something because of the workout she did the next day, previous day. She was not able to move, but she still switched on the Mind Gym. She came to Mind Gym. Within 45 minutes, she was healed. Like, she was able to go to washroom and carry on with her day, which is unbelievable. People with acidity, bloating coming up and just taking the, like, being free in just 45 minutes of it. These are,
That is so therapeutic also, na?
yeah.
Every time you are coming into the Mind Gym, you are going healed. Some part of you is getting healed, and you are really feeling so blessed about it that yeah. And people are so grateful for this Mind Gym. So guys, if you really want to savor the flavor of Mind Gym, then you have we invite you for one free class. Just come here, savor the flavor, and we are sure that you are going to go healed completely. Right?
Yeah.
Soumya, you want to
Yeah.
say, Soumya, do you would you like to share how did you get this term Mind Gym?
Oh, yeah. So, see, if I say meditation to people, or even if you have heard, whenever we say meditation, the first thing comes is that pose, with this posture. This is universal meditation posture. Everybody thinks meditation is sitting and being with your thoughts, or shutting off your mind, or becoming blank in the head, or just concentrating on your breath. That is how everybody sees meditation as. But meditation is not just that, right? It is literally you rewiring yourself every day. You're connecting with who you actually are within all this facade that you have going on, right? Or the thing that you're showing to the world. Okay, so whenever we said meditation to people, people started getting scared about it. Oh, 5 a.m. ko utھ ke meditation karna hai, हाँ, nah. That was the expression. And then I kept on thinking that there should be another way to say what we're trying to say in a very trendy way, in a way that it will click with the people. And one fine day, out of nowhere, when I was typing a message, I got this Mind Gym, and it made most sense to me. Like, uh, uh, and I think it is resonating with people also. I used it maybe once or twice, maybe, but then everybody started saying, and that's when I think we made it official, and we are now calling it as a Mind Gym. But having said that, you also will agree, right, that of course you also take the Mind Gym classes. That we are not doing actual meditation. We are doing more than that. We are doing advanced meditation, we are doing active meditation, we are doing passive kind of one, we are doing active kind of one. We are incorporating NLP techniques in it. We are incorporating high hypnotherapy in it. We are incorporating a lot of it, and we are trying to do it. So it's a lot of things. It's just not meditation, it is a lot of things.
It's complete rewiring of your mind. The electrical circuits are getting, the wherever there is a, chipping of the wirings, and that we call an electrician to, cut that wire and place a new one. So all that thing is done in mind also. So we do that in the mind gym. So guys, we would, you will be loving having us and in the mind gym guiding you for getting liberation from your old self. So
Then how else can you explain, Didi, where our clients having transformation within 1 month, like going from a doubting person to a completely powerful person? how is that possible? Like things like, you know, affirming or, you know, kind of writing, this take a lot of time to kind of give you the results. It's not like they don't give, they definitely give the results, but it just needs so much consistent repetitions to achieve it till there.
So, Soumya, in my case, what I think is when you're affirming, when you're journaling, that is also working on yourself, but that you are doing to work on your mind. You are
Hmm.
writing one thing, one affirmation multiple number of times just
Hmm.
to make it sit in your mind. But in
Hmm.
Mind Gym, what we are doing is we are putting directly in our mind.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is the major difference. You do not have to write long pages and all those things. Maybe we are Gen Z. Most of us are Gen Z there, so we do
Nobody
not
has
like
time.
to. Yeah, no, we do not like to write so much, and do so much of techniques. So it is just working out, just the way you are working out in the gym, the same way you are working out for your mind, just for 1 hour, and you are gone. You are, all of everything you are getting. You are manifesting everything. So this is so cool, for Gen Z also.
Remember yesterday, we had one of the clients say, she came to us saying, "Oh, at 5:50, I have to rush. I have to make kids dabba and everything." And now she takes time off to do creatives, and she's putting creatives at 7 a.m. for her development, right? And she told us that I have stretched the time. I mean, that was her statement. I've stretched the time so that I can do this. So,
People are rediscovering themselves here.
totally. And we are loving seeing them like that.
And we love to give people the platform for self expression also, na. So that
Hmm.
is also one beautiful thing that all our clients are experiencing.
Will be happy to report, I think at least three of them as of now are on verge of starting completely new, brand new things for their life. Like they were doing, one was a homemaker, she has started, you know, going into a world of influencing and an entrepreneur. And the another one is coming up with her own studio and such. And then the other one is opening her own shop, like something that they had not thought is possible for them. They have started doing it, and hopefully very soon we will and another one is thinking of starting her own business. So yeah, we are hearing a lot of transformation happening with the people, and just within 1, 2 or 3 months at the max that they are able to crack it.
एंड वी हैव गॉट होम मेकर्स ऑल्सो जो होम मेकर्स हैं वो घर पे अपना काम करते हैं इसके साथ साथ वो अपने आप को समय नहीं देते थे पहले बट नाउ दे आर प्रायोरिटाइजिंग देमसेल्व्स एंड कमिंग टू द माइंड जिम एंड getting themselves liberated from the pains and aches from the knees and all. So that is so huge. You do not have they maybe someone doesn't know how to write. We can teach that to them also to build their lives. It doesn't mean you cannot restrict yourself from building your mind if you do not know how to write, you do not know how to read. Language का कोई वो नहीं होता ना. You are just guiding them, and your subconscious mind knows all the language. You do
All
not need
that.
to write also. So
Mm.
you are absorbing that, and you are working out in your mind, and you are getting the results in your body and your whole entire life. So that is so huge and beautiful.
Just want to say one thing, you guys. अगर बॉडी में कुछ दर्द है या दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है, you will obviously feel short of time, short of energy, and short of everything in your life. Because आप comfortable नहीं हो आपके body के अंदर, ठीक है? What we are doing at Mind Gym is we are clearing this. You will see a lot of techniques come through on our Instagram as well. With something called mind brushing techniques that we'll be posting. तो आप check out कर लेना वो चीज़. Once you have that things in your mind and your body cleared, the first thing, जैसे आप घर का झाड़ू पोछा मारते हो सुबह सुबह तभी जाके you can move around in the house. Similarly like that, mind gym is like 5 a.m. आपका झाड़ू पोछा हो रहा है आपके दिमाग का, and
Brushing your
you will
mind.
be very fresh throughout the day.
Yeah, absolutely. You will be complete new. You will be ready to take on the life, and obviously, you will be ready to play the life that you want in a very wonderful manner. Everything will be yours. So come and join us.
Come, join us, and we'll be excited. Remember this one time free trial, and you can see for yourself how it feels for you. We'll let you be the judge of it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
brilliant
you.
day.
Bye. Stop.